Hey guys, it's Doc, and today I'm going to do a quick little video on the world's worst Bermuda lawn and how we've taken on this project and show you some updates on it. So hold on. Hey guys, let me just give you the short summary of this. We have renters across the street. The owners of this house really don't give a darn about the house. As long as they're paying the rent, they don't care. This has been going on for years. The homeowners association has had to take action. So finally I just said, I know the people that rent the place. They don't have any lawn equipment. I said, look, why don't you let me do some stuff on your lawn? They were like, sure, we'd love to have you. So starting about 2 months ago, I started working with this lawn, and I'm going to show you the beginning stages of it, which was truly probably the world's worst Bermuda grass lawn. At some point this was sod, believe it or not. I put down a general broadleaf weed killer with a pre-emergent inside of it. The link will be up on the website. Then I came back, and what I did was I put down a very high dosage of a crabgrass killer. I'm going to tell you, because I don't think I can legally say it, how much I put down on this. And we killed almost all the crabgrass in there. And we burned back probably about 50% of the Bermuda. This lawn was like, the whole thing looked like a brown hayfield. I mean, that's how badly we burned it off. We let it sit, and then I started heating it. Then I started hitting it. We put the Humic DG on it a few weeks ago. Then I've been hitting it with my Super Juice formula. So the Super Juice video, watch that Super Juice, which is basically a couple handfuls of the granular humic with the liquid lawn and a little bit of iron all mixed up and then sprayed on top of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through, I'm going to go back a while back, and I'm going to show you what this lawn looked like at the beginning and some of the progressions all the way through. It's pretty cool what you can. So if a lot of people say, oh, I can't save my Bermuda lawn, Bermuda is tough as heck, man. If you've got any Bermuda in your lawn, you can bring it back, and this is proof. Now I want you to look at this. Solid weeds. So we got solid weeds over here. This is a Bermuda lawn. Okay, that's a Bermuda lawn. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that lovely? Had the weeds up to 18 inches tall, and so what I did today is I came over and I sprayed this. I guess they're away on vacation, and I treated this lawn. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to take some updates on it. Okay, secret project update. This is approximately 8 to 10 days, somewhere in there, after mysteriously that lawn being sprayed. So let's go check it. You can see that right here, almost everything except for crabgrass and Bermuda grass is alive. Almost everything else is dead. I want to get that same picture over here, but look at what's going on here now. See how dead it all is? There's that same picture. But the only thing that's alive is Bermuda, basically, and crabgrass. Did not treat for crabgrass. The question is, can you take the world's worst Bermuda lawn and can you make the world's worst Bermuda lawn into the world's greatest Bermuda lawn? And the answer is yes. Just do some basic applications. You don't have to get crazy. Just follow Bermuda grass calendar. Put out pre-emergent, put out weed killer. Do all the stuff we say on the Bermuda calendar. It'll work. Okay, so here is the current, man, it's windy. Here's the current state of the world's worst Bermuda lawn. Now what you can see, guess what? Guess what we've got? Now I just did a treatment of my Super Juice So, but I want you to look at that. It's all Bermuda, but look at that. So what we have now is we have the majority of, I'd say 99% of all the weeds have been killed. A little bit of the Bermuda was burnt back by the heavy treatments that we did, but now it's just starting to come back. But you can see that now what we've got is a solid Bermuda lawn that we can push really hard in September, October. And this will be absolutely gorgeous, lush green lawn. This I will take pictures of and put on the website and update it so you can see it as we go along. But what a difference. What a difference. But now you can see that that is pretty much all Bermuda grass there. Bermuda grass there. And it's starting to kick in. So what do I want you to get from this video? I want you to get a couple of things. Number one, if you subscribe to our channel, you can repair your lawn too. You can have a fantastic Bermuda lawn. I can't tell you how many comments and messages we get from people saying, Doc, I had the worst Bermuda lawn, my lawn was horrible, and ever since following your channel and doing what you've been telling me to, that my lawn is the best in the neighborhood. They pull up at night, they're proud, they have the best lawn in the whole neighborhood. But what I really want you to understand is I've restored a lot of Bermuda lawns and a lot of just regular lawns over many, many years. Walk into something where everyone says, man, this is just absolutely horrible, it's a nightmare. If you have a Bermuda grass lawn, you don't need much Bermuda there, as you've seen from this video. You don't need much visible Bermuda grass for it to take over. If you understand how to basically wipe out or push back on the other things that are growing in your yard and then push your Bermuda grass on top of that and when how to time it, use a Bermuda grass calendar, use the heck out of pre-emergence, that's going to save you a ton, and then do the treatments that really matter. You can really make your lawn turn around within, it may not be a few weeks like this one, it may not even be a couple of months, but at least within a year, within a year's time, you're going to see a really strong, thick, lush Bermuda lawn if you just follow what I'm saying. Oh, by the way, did you like this video? Did you hate this video? Push the hate button. Go ahead, I dare you. Push hate. I don't care. Click like or dislike. I don't care. Click one of them. But make sure you subscribe. Click one of the likes. Share this video if you want. But it is a really great example of what you can do and how you can manipulate Bermuda grass. A lot of people don't understand that Bermuda grass really was a weed and it came to the US from Bermuda, and it was so aggressive that they were like, man, let's just stop fighting it, let's just let it grow, and let's treat it like a grass. So if you'll do that and learn how to propagate it and learn how to push it and take care of it, man, Bermuda will just take over areas. Every time I make a video, I make a new page on our website. So there'll be a link in the description down below that says, hey, here's a link to the web page. And on that web page will be this same video and then more information. And I'm going to take pictures of this lawn and updates over the next 4 weeks. And I'm going to post pictures and updates for you. And it's going to be really cool to see what's going on with this. Hope it helped. Talk to you later. Doc.